Whoa. Where are we going, buddy? Where are we headed to? What's going on, AD fam? So I'm on my way to the lumberyard right now. We're gonna pick up 3 treated 2x4x8s, and that should be the rest of the lumber that we have to buy. I didn't have to buy much. Somebody kind of asked in the last video, but I've acquired all this lumber over the years, and a lot of it came from Grammatron's old shop, so shout out to him. But I did buy the metal. Granted, it was an extremely good price, and I've bought plenty of other odds and ends. I'll do like a total cost at the end. I think that would be cool to kind of wrap up the series. I'm gonna try to get one of the window sections done today. I know you got some wood. There goes another 16 bucks, but we're ready to start the day. Let's head back and get to work. Whoa! All right. Won't be using this anymore. Hey Diesel, come here. We gotta get more lumber. Let's go. You get to ride in the back this time. There you go. Okay. Good boy. All right, you guys, well, I've decided to use these 2 windows. The other ones are actually doors, but I think the size of these are perfect for what I'm gonna need. So that means we're just gonna have to measure them and then start framing. Man, that wind is crazy today. Whoa! Came flying through here, hit my screws everywhere. Dude's a nut. All right, you guys, this is the progress that we've made so far today. All we gotta do now is match the exact same thing on this side. Hopefully the window fits. I'm gonna have to either make or buy some trim for the window, so I'll be sure to let you know what I do with that. Alright, you guys, we got 2 walls. Definitely knocked this one out a lot faster. There's a few imperfections because of that, but you'll never notice it. Like, I made these a little bit short up top, and it kind of sucked the opening up. What do you think, bud? You think we did a good job? Let me know. Can I get some love? Thanks, bud. Let's finish this up, alright? Let's do it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw a vapor barrier up. I want to get the metal on because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And what we're actually going to do is just put the metal up, cover up the opening, and then we're going to come from the back here and make our cuts. I'm thinking that'll be the quickest way to do it, and it'll leave less waste. But there's only one way to figure out, and that's by doing it. So let's get started. Well, you guys, it is time to throw some metal on there. Got about an hour till dark. Let's do this. Well, here it is, guys. This is today's progress. I'm done. I got to go edit this video and upload it tonight. So thanks for bearing with me. It's supposed to pour tomorrow, so I just wanted to get this sealed up the best that I could. We're going to cut the holes for the windows another day. And until tomorrow's video, I'll see you then.